everyone, we're JP Toys and Candies. In this channel we'll show you cool Japanese toys and candies straight from Tokyo. In this video we'll show you the vending machine Gachapon. This time we did a Gachapon of miniature vending machines. We already see what we want this time, a vending machine for hot drinks. There are also vending machines for soda, cold drinks, energy drinks, and coffee. It looks like the 4 buttons in the middle are dummies and don't work. These bottles and cans are so tiny. Now we're placing the hot drink sign on the top of the machine. Now let's put the stickers on the spare can and bottle. Let's make this one a can of corn soup. And this one a roasted green tea. Now let's put them all in the vending machine. Now let's see how it works. First, the roasted green tea. Oh, we got 2 bottles. It looks like you can only set one of each. Next is the sweet bean soup. And then the green tea. And last, the corn soup. 2 cans again. Let's just try it one more time for the end of the video. The can got stuck. And this time the green tea is jammed. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please let us know in the comments if there are any Japanese toys or candies you want us to review. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos of Japanese toys. We're JP Toys and Candies, and we'll see you in the next video.